The Ron Palace is a historic palace located on the European shore of the Bosphorus in Istanbul, Turkey. It was originally built in the 17th century during the Ottoman Empire and was extensively renovated in the 19th century. The palace was the residence of the Ottoman sultans for many years, and it was one of the most lavish and opulent palaces in the world. However, it fell into disrepair over the years and was damaged by a fire in the 20th century. The palace was later restored and converted into a luxury hotel, which is now operated by the Kempinski Group. The Ron Palace is renowned for its stunning architecture and rich history. It features an impressive facade that overlooks the Bosphorus, as well as magnificent interiors that are decorated with ornate details, including intricate tilework, gilded ceilings, and beautiful frescoes. Visitors to the palace can enjoy a range of activities, including dining at one of the hotel's restaurants, taking a stroll through the palace's gardens, or enjoying a spa treatment at the hotel's wellness center. It's also possible to book a stay at the hotel and experience the luxurious accommodations for yourself. The Ron Palace is open to visitors throughout the year, and guided tours are available for those who want to learn more about the palace's rich history and cultural significance. It's a must-see attraction for anyone interested in architecture, history, or luxury travel. In our series of the most must-see places in Istanbul: Hagia Sophia, Topkapi Palace, Sultan Ahmet Mosque, Grand Bazaar, Galata Tower, Istanbul Archaeology Museums, Ciragan Palace, Dolmabahce Palace, Beyoğlu Taksim Square, Bosphorus Bridge and Bosphorus Tour, Emirgan Grove, Istiklal Street, Big Island, Rumeli Fortress, Süleymaniye Mosque, City Lines Ferry Tour, Anatolian Fortress, Miniaturk, Pera Museum, Istanbul Museum of Modern Art. You can get detailed information about. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our video so that we can continue our promotional services.